It is really more than just artificial grass. Artificial grass can be bought anywhere. You can buy it online, you can buy it from many different big box stores. People understand and know the quality of SYNLawn, plus the fact of the quality of the distributorship here. When you have good customer service and you have passion and you stand behind what you're gonna do, then your business will be successful.
Scott and I and everybody in our team has always prided ourselves on customer service and taking care of our customers and doing great work.
We're a family-owned and operated business. We all grew up together, or we know each other some way, somehow. And with that, we all care. We all share the same passion for this company. We don't want to cut corners. We don't want to undermine ourselves.
SYNLawn stands out above the competition because of the cutting-edge technology, the hard work that happens behind the scenes, from the extrusion and the yarn manufacturing and concepts, from super yarn to the many different varieties of artificial grass that they offer, heat block technology.
When I go out there, I can with full confidence say that I have the best product. We're up against competitors every day. At being a salesman, I have a lot of stuff in my back pocket to pull out, from the warranties to all the technology, the heat block, super yarn, all the stuff that makes SYNLawn a superior product.
We implemented a 5-year installation warranty a few years ago that no other company in our territory would even consider. They all have a 1-year warranty. We have that much confidence in the work that we do. We do it right the first time, and we stand behind what we do, and we take care of our customers. Caring about them, I feel, is a huge component in what makes our business successful.
I've been treated like family ever since I came on board with SYNLawn. I first came on as an installer here, and after I got my sales position, I was invited to the conference. Every time I have any questions or reach out to anybody from corporate, it's always a great experience, and they seem to really care about us.
They go above and beyond to make sure that we have what we need as distributors. Any issues that we run across, they are always there helping in any way possible, from getting us something quickly, helping us, create something if it's a, prefab system or something like that. They're just a stand-up company that have always had our backs, and I think everybody in the family could say that.
SYNLawn is cutting-edge technology, top of their game. It's just an amazing corporation to be part of, but the family side of it is mind-boggling. We have passion for Southeast Turf, we have passion for SYNLawn, and our friends and family that do work with us all ride for that same brand and are incredibly passionate about what they do every day.